Yes sir, we are back with another video, guys. So we're getting ready to go check out this 1973. I don't know if it's an Impala or a Caprice yet, but my buddy just bought another one, guys. So I'm gonna take y'all with me on the ride along and we can check it out together. We'll see y'all right after this intro. Peace.
She said, hey mom, day job, I don't feel it. I need race car, top down to match my ceiling. I don't have none.
Oh man, yeah, we made it, guys. We made it. Let's check this thing out real quick. So this the one he already got. I'm gonna show y'all this one first. I got too many keys in my dang pocket. So this the one he already got right here. I showed it in one of my older videos. Excuse the wind. It's a little windy out here. But he getting ready to repaint this one and get it going. Y'all see the steering wheel and everything. Redoing the whole car. I think he gonna go back with the same color and probably silver on the top, I think. Not sure. So yes sir, this one will be done, and then I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the other one. Y'all ready? I need to make y'all wait. Huh? Yeah, y'all gotta wait, man. Y'all gotta wait. What up, what up?
You just rolling.
Me?
You everywhere.
Yeah. Man, you done found you something, huh? What'd you say at the junkyard?
Salvage yard.
Oh, at the salvage yard.
Salvage yard.
That's crazy. Nothing? Shoot. I brought them, I told them they gotta wait to see it. Y'all gotta wait a little bit longer. And we're gonna show y'all here in a minute. All right, y'all ready? I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all. Bam! There it is. It's a 73?
Yep.
Impala or Caprice? Caprice. Heck yeah. Man. 400 small block.
400 in it.
Everything there though.
Yeah, everything on there. All the lights, the trimming.
It still got the sticker on there too.
The sticker say 400.
That's, yep, 400 cubic inch.
And to be sure, we gotta look on that block.
Yeah, look on the block.
You know,
Yeah,
make sure.
just to make sure
say
nobody.
400, it might be a 350. You know.
Yeah, make sure ain't nobody ever changed it out or something. You know.
That's original. That's the original motor though.
Yeah, it look like the original motor though. But you gotta just make sure. Man, I wonder where he found this at. It's cause it's dry rust. He probably got this out of California or something.
Yeah, look at the license plate.
Yeah, that's what I was finna.
Plates don't even look like that now.
Yeah, I was finna say.
Even back in the day.
Oh yeah,
That's like Indiana somewhere down there.
that's an old plate. Yeah, that's an old Texas car then.
Old Texas plate.
Yeah, that's an old Texas plate.
I ain't even pulled the damn this off.
Man, had to drag him out the dirt. Hey, I like these old wheels though.
Yeah, the old crackers.
Once you get it all fixed up, let me get the wheels. I call first dibs on them.
You got them.
I'll get them from you.
The old school crackers.
Yeah.
Little baby ass carburetor part.
The little two barrel.
Oh yeah,
I bet
that's
it's
like a one.
Let me see. No, that's a. Yeah, that's the original carburetor.
Yeah, it's the original motor there.
Yeah,
It
that's
got the point system and everything.
Yeah, that's the original carburetor right there.
It's crazy, man.
But somebody, look, that fuel filter, you see how it look new?
Mm-hmm.
So it probably ran, bro. This car probably ran. Cause why would you put that filter on? You know what I mean?
If
On
you
something
ain't- if
that
you
ain't
driving,
that's
then
locked
yeah.
up
Yeah.
or something.
Yeah, the lights come on too. We got the battery on there.
And it still got oil in it.
Dead in your ass.
Nah, don't do that, Derek.
I'll kick you dead in your ass.
Don't do it.
What's up?
What up?
Looking at it.
You alright?
What's the start?
I don't know, man.
We gonna see. We gonna see. And we got that one over there too. All right, let me show y'all the rest of the car. So all the windows is out. Somebody broke the windows out. But everything in here though. Everything in here. Shoot, a lot of work.
What I told Steve, a lot of work.
That's a lot of work.
I'm gonna fix my car up there over there.
Yeah, that,
Blue one.
yeah, it's a lot of work, but it'll be clean. But you gonna put some money in it. About 20, I get.
Look good though.
Yeah, about 20 will get him right. You can see where, like, somebody pulled out some dents right here, but it ain't rusted out though. Just it right here. This car ain't bad, man. And it got all the trim and everything. This is Tahoe. He just got this sprayed. Yeah. Now the body ain't bad.
How much you pay for that? Concentrated.
What up, baby? You alright?
What they talking about? I don't know.
I got you. Look, when was the last time it was inspected? Hey, 96. Nah, don't cut the top off. Nah, heck nah. You can, but I wouldn't. That top still, let me see.
Top still good.
Nah, man, I wouldn't cut the top off. My top was messed up on that
Or
orange
your
boy.
car like this?
Yeah,
It was probably 72, 71. Oh, well, which car? This is
73. Yeah. Yeah. 73.
You always send it.
I can't do no. I can't put that car nowhere. I don't got nowhere to put it. Hell no. So I can't Shit, you wanna put
AP,
it on-
yours is 72, right?
Yeah.
That's a 72 over there. This is
Oh, you got
73.
that car back over here? Yeah, it's just long transmission fluid.
Y'all finna finish painting it?
Take this over to this nigga. Okay.
All right. Yeah. Yeah, it look good, y'all, man. Let's look up. It's all there though.
Want a good start.
It's all there. You got some starter fluid? So the lights came on, y'all. Look.
The lights didn't come on first.
That light ain't on? Yeah, that light is.
Oh, yeah, that light is.
Nah, that light on. And the headlight on too. This light.
yeah, it came on.
Oh yeah, you hit the high beam. Yeah, they work. All of them came on except that one. I got some of them. You can have.
I just throw some of them away.
Yeah, yeah. You know what? I think I threw them. Now I kept 2 of them, I think.
Oh, hey, tail lights on now. Yeah, back lights on.
Yeah, I like that.
Even the marker lights work. That's crazy. Nothing worked on my goddamn car.
Yeah.
When I got
So
him.
the flow thing got a
Short in
Short in
got
it.
short in
The high beam switch. Yeah.
what had a
Hey, somebody he was towing with it.
Get a screwdriver real quick.
My you know my El Camino had that on there.
Yeah.
I had to cut it off.
Them both tight.
Yeah,
Them both hell.
they had it wet. They ain't near welded on there.
Yeah, flathead.
Yeah.
Gas tank, everything.
Last time this car been to
You
register
can-
was 94.
94, 96. Could you see the floorboards or nah?
Nigga, them flow boys good.
They good?
Yeah, look. I think they good.
I'ma see if they can see. I can't see. Y'all let us know.
They had flow mats and all the other stuff on it.
Oh
This
yeah.
car was full of trash.
Oh yeah.
Like fence board and all that. This car was full of junk.
Yeah. Nah, I think it's good.
I took the back seat out though. Put it in something.
Yeah. And they got the hubcaps and everything. And the original wheels.
Yeah.
The original yeah.
Yeah, this one's still. Oh no.
Mm-hmm.
So that's the original color too.
Yeah.
Yeah. They still got the sticker.
Damn, I should have blew all this shit up.
Yeah, it ain't too late.
Just shut it
They ain't
in.
even ride it. The trunk not a ride. Got that hole over there. That's all
That's
I see.
about, yeah, that's the only side I seen really.
Mhm.
That was,
Them hubcaps. Them hubcaps are good shape, man.
yeah.
It had starters in her, alternators, but all of it looked bad. It was like,
First aid kit.
mm-hmm.
Old first aid kit.
Oh.
Yep.
That came with the car.
Oh, yeah.
Shit crazy. Man, it had I thought it was some ammunition in the box, right? Man,
Yeah.
I opened that box, man, it looked like dynamite in the back.
Old stuff.
Dude took it though.
Yeah, I bet he
He
did.
took it. It man, it looked like the sticks of dynamite in a
box.
an army box.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
As far as these, like the windshield, they're hard to find.
He got an extra one.
No, the front.
Oh, no. No, they still make them. Them back ones kind of hard, but he got an extra one.
So 72 and 73 fits.
And 75. That's the same back window that's on my car.
That's crazy.
Yeah, it's the same back window. Unless you do that, unless it's that SS with the bubble, you know what I mean, the bubble window, the Super Sport.
So what would you cut it at?
That's his car.
Yeah, what would you cut it at though?
I wouldn't cut it. That's his car. I wouldn't cut it. I mean, what you paid for, you can cut it. Cause you ain't out no whole bunch of money. If you would've went and dropped 10, 15 bands on one, you can't cut. You ain't finna cut no top off. You know what I mean? But I mean, what you paid for, you can cut it. You gotta buy your garage. Put it up in there. Yeah.
Look at this dishes real quick, man.
You ain't hit it yet?
I'm talking about break it.
Oh.
You know how to start it like that?
Nah, yeah, you can. Yeah.
5 hours later.
All right, guys, we made it back to the house. Had to shoot back to the house real quick, but we are gonna try to get it started, or at least get the ignition turned over on that 73 and get it off the trailer. So y'all stay tuned, man. It's gonna be a whole build. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that post notification bell, that way you don't miss any videos. And we'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.